I am Dr. Padmavati, MD, Nischel's Smart Learning Solutions Private Limited. Our corporate office is situated in Begumpet, Hyderabad, and we have incorporated our company in 2010. This company is named after Nischel, my younger son. He is a double Guinness World Record holder in the field of mathematics and memory, and he has designed and developed many mathematics tools and laboratory for primary children and high school children for regular mathematics. And it has been used in all over world, almost in more than 1 lakh schools. We have been supplying to government sector, starting from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. We have supplied to Jammu Kashmir, Delhi, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Puducherry, Andaman Nicobar, Goa, so on and so forth. All these years, from 2010, we have been supplying to government sector, and now we are focusing on private sector also. And our company is empaneled by NCERT New Delhi, which recognized our services and technically approved our products. And ours is the only company in whole South India to be empaneled by NCERT. They are our major clients, and we've been supplying to them. In turn, they supply to various governments, state governments. And now we are having not only mathematics products, but also we are coming up with science products. And in science, we are going to cover physics, chemistry, and biology. And this is a service oriented company, and the royalty whatever Nischel gets on the sale proceedings, that goes to Nischel Foundation. From there, Nischel helps the deserved children for their education. He is tied up with UNICEF and conducts various programs for the deserved people's education. We have developed these math products. They are divided into primary, upper primary, and high school level students. And not only regular mathematics, but also we are dealing with abacus and Vedic mathematics. We conduct regular classes with the help of these tools, how to learn the mathematics and Vedic maths and also abacus. All under one roof we are providing, and this is international quality product. We don't compromise with the quality, and our product is patented, and all the books are written by Nischel Narayanam. He is designated by National Geographic Channel as one amongst 7 brilliant brains of the world. We are all proud of him that he is representing our India. And he is world memory champion and written a lot of books on school mathematics. And now he is the youngest chartered accountant and working with Deloitte, the audit firm, the world's #1 audit firm, I can say. Out of this 1,80,000 employees, he has been the youngest. This is about Nischel, and his motto is being mentor of this company, and his motto is to cater the needs of his fellow mates and drive away the math fear from them and drive them towards math joy. This is our slogan, Math Fear to Math Joy. Our mission is to provide innovative educational concepts and products that help children, young adults, and individuals to perform to their potential. We are driven by passion to innovate and passion to excel. This is the only company which is providing international quality product on mathematics. Nowhere we can find this much comprehensive math lab. Anywhere in India, anywhere in the world, we don't find such a comprehensive and complete math lab. Math lab consists of more than 1,310 components, which are all international quality products and food graded material. It has been manufactured by, and all are our own molds. This is packed in a compact box, all these material, and supplied to various countries also. Nischal, as he grew, his confidence levels also grew. When he was 9 years old, he started doing on mathematics. He started working with mathematics when he found some difficulty in understanding some concepts. When he was in 5th class, then he came to me, asked his doubts about understanding some concepts. We searched in all over Hyderabad, total market, but we couldn't find any material on mathematics except a meter scale and a big protractor. That's it. Then he requested me to arrange for a carpenter, and he started working on his own, explaining the carpenter about the designs, about the concepts, and then we never expected that that work would become such a big company, and that has taken a shape of Nischal's Smart Learning Solutions Private Limited today. We are certified by ISO, and we are, as I already mentioned, we are empaneled by NCERT, which we are really proud of, because this recognition is not very easy. With this encouragement, Nischal is doing continuous research on mathematics. Though his profession is chartered accountancy, but his passion always been towards mathematics. He wants to do research in mathematics further and serve the nation whatever the best possible by him. As family members, we are always given him support, and further also we will support him in whatever manner. Our company is a service-oriented company with business, and we charge schools very nominal fee and conduct the classes every day, and we also conduct summer camps, winter camps, and whenever the long holiday is there for schools, we are ready to conduct camps at our office and also at our franchises. Various places we have. In Uppal, we have a franchise, in Sindhi Colony we have, and in Nizampet we have, in Kukatpalli we have, and Delhi also we have our branch. It's more than 10 we have at present, and we want to expand it all over India. We are very soon planning to expand it further. And we have school partnering program in which we tie up with the schools, where we give the training on abacus, Vedic mathematics, and also on regular mathematics. And our regular mathematics curriculum is integrated syllabus. It's not confined to not only CBSE or ICSE or state board, but it is a combination of all these curriculum to make the students confident in facing any kind of competitive examinations or out of country also. If it is IB syllabus or IGCSE, whatever the syllabus may be, but mathematics is mathematics. 1 plus 1 is always 2 wherever you are going. So we believe in integrated syllabus. And in Abacus, we are having different levels of programs, starting from 6 years onwards. Up to 6th class, we teach Abacus, and after that, we recommend to go for Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics also we have different levels. For adults also we have designed the program. For children also we have designed the program. So from 6th class onwards, they can join Vedic mathematics classes. Regularly we conduct at our office. On Sundays also we have, because school children, to facilitate them on Sundays, it would be very helpful. So we work 365 days in a year, always at your service, to promote this kind of education and also to help the society with Nischal's mission. Once anybody learns this Vedic mathematics, it works like a magic and miracle. There is a logic. It's not a technique, but it is completely based on logic. Vedic mathematics improves the speed and accuracy as well as logic. Once any child is excelling in mathematics, automatically he will also excel in other subjects. That is for sure. Being mathematics as mother of all sciences, once you are thorough with mathematics concepts and maths, you can't escape from mathematics. Wherever you go, you have to learn mathematics. Without maths, nobody can survive and nobody can imagine any field, any science. You take any field, there is a mathematics underlining that. Vedam, we have Vedam. We have only one Veda, but it is divided into 4 parts: Samaveda, Rigveda, Yajurveda, and Atharvana Veda. And Veda, we have 6 Angas. Shadanga we call: Siksha, Chandas, Vyakaranam, Niruktam, Kalpam, Jyotisam. In Jyotish Shastra, for example, if you take, we can calculate when the solar eclipse comes or lunar eclipse comes, or when Amavasya falls or when Paurnami falls. We can calculate many years which it comes, many years ahead. We can calculate it today itself. All these Angams, Vedangas, they follow the mathematics principles, and we have this Vedic Ganita. It is there throughout Veda, and these Vedic Ganita principles have been taken out by Swami Bharati Krishna Tirtha, and he has formulated all these into a book, but unfortunately we missed out so many books, so many works of him. The remaining works, whatever now available with us, 29 sutras, that is 16 sutras and 13 Upasutras. We are all working on them, and recently Indians, last 5 to 6 years, they have been seriously working on Vedic mathematics, and more than us, foreigners, they are using these techniques of Vedic mathematics and taking the advantages of it. Like in London, a group of schools, a chain of schools, they are using Vedic mathematics in their schools, all their branches, since last 1 decade. They are understanding the advantages of this Vedic mathematics, and unfortunately we are following now. After they recognized, we are importing from them our own Indian heritage and culture. Vedic mathematics is born here, but we are forgetting the advantages of Vedic mathematics. And now we started recognizing that and importing the books from them, whatever they have written, and translating them into our own language and making use of it. To overcome this situation, we are now working very seriously to inculcate these principles and our rich heritage and culture in the children. We are working very seriously. And now we are conducting a 3-day workshop on Vedic mathematics. It is a national level workshop, and every year we want to conduct this national workshop on Vedic mathematics so that everyone will have the advantage and the awareness will grow. Definitely in the day-to-day life, in the competitive examinations, and to improve their speed and accuracy, Vedic mathematics, it helps. Coming to Nischal Narayanam's achievements, to name a few, he is a double Guinness World Record holder. The first record is being memorizing 225 random objects and repeating in the same order. Not only that, he repeated in reverse order also. That was in the year of 2006. And earlier record was 100. So he broke the record and made it 225 random objects. And the second record is 132 digit number randomly generated in a system that was displayed for 1 minute on the computer screen and disappeared. He had to repeat the whole 132 digit number in order and also in reverse. That was the second record, and earlier record was 60 digits. So he broke that record and made it, and that record is still alive. And then he is named as World Memory Champion at Bahrain. He won the gold medal. He represented India. Almost people from 35 countries, all top memorizers of the world, they participated, and Nischal stood the champion. He has won a lot of awards and rewards from state government and also central government. He's been National Child Awardee, received the award from Mrs. Sonia Gandhi at Delhi, and also he's been invited by Dr. Abdul Kalam ji to Rashtrapati Bhavan. The experience was really amazing. The moment we entered to Rashtrapati Bhavan, to his personal library, I just want to share the experience with you all. The first question put by Kalamji was to Nischal, how many times you revolved around the sun? We were just amazed. Why? What does that mean? Then Nischal coolly answered, 11 times, sir. What do you mean by that? Then Kalamji explained us that one revolution takes 1 year. Then I was inquiring about his age. Then Nischal coolly answered 11. That's correct. We were really amazed too. Great people, great thinking. So it really motivated Nischal. And Kalamji endorsed, after seeing his math lab and books, endorsed on his visiting card that Nistal Math Lab should be used in all the Indian schools. That is the lifetime achievement Nistal felt. Even today, we feel proud of that. We hope Nistal will achieve more and more heights and bring lot of laurels to our country. Thank you.